Welcome back to the Mr. English Easy podcast. Today's episode is for one special type of person, someone who is ambitious, but also a little lazy.
If you understand English, but you can't speak, if you want to be fluent, but you start tomorrow, this episode is exactly for you.
Let's be honest. You have big dreams. You want to speak English. You want opportunities. You want a better life. But you feel tired, unmotivated, and stuck. You watch videos, you read posts, but when it's time to speak, nothing comes out.
And maybe you think the problem is you. Maybe I'm not good at languages. Maybe I'm just lazy. But that's not true. Your brain is not against you. Your brain is simply trying to avoid things that feel too hard. And speaking English feels hard, so your brain runs away.
But here's the good news. You don't need to study for hours. You don't need a teacher. You don't need perfect grammar. You only need one thing: comprehensible input. English you understand.
Because we learn language in only one way: when the message is clear, when the brain relaxes, when English feels easy, fun, and natural. And the best part? This works even if you're lazy.
But listening is not enough. You understand English, great, but you still can't speak because your mouth never practices. So here's what happens. You listen for hours, but you speak zero.
So we combine the two worlds, the lazy method plus the speaking method. Simple, fast, and it works. And here's the truth. You don't start speaking because the first step looks too big. So we make the step tiny.
Step 1. Start easy. Remove the pain. Your brain hates big tasks. So don't say, I will study English for 1 hour. Say, I will watch 3 minutes of English I understand. Easy. No resistance.
Step 2. 2-minute speaking rule. Speak for just 2 minutes. Set a timer. Talk about anything. Your room, your day, your feelings, the weather. Small activation, big results.
Step 3. Shadowing the simple way. While listening to a podcast like this, repeat one short sentence out loud. I am improving every day. Mistakes help me learn. I can speak English. You don't need perfect pronunciation. You just need to use your mouth.
If you are ambitious but lazy, good. It means you want a better life. You just need a smarter strategy.
Start small. Do 2 minutes today. Then tomorrow, 3. Your fluency grows like a flame, tiny at first, but stronger every day.
And remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to start.
If you want more episodes like this, stay with us here on Mr. English Easy. We'll help you learn English, even if you're lazy.